Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Zero Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Avni Lekhara becomes first Indian woman to win Paralympic gold, equals world record to win 10-meter air rifle title. India's Avani Lekhara has won the country's first gold medal of the Tokyo Paralympics. In the process, she has become the first Indian woman to win gold at Paralympics and the fifth Indian overall to win the top medal at the Games. Lekhara shot a total score of 249.6 in the final, equaling the world record set by Ukraine Irina Skechnik. In December 2019. The 19-year-old recovered well after a slow start. The 19-year-old Avani, who sustained spinal cord injuries in a car accident in 2012, qualified 7th for the final, a total score of 621.7. She then lost superbly to the leapfrog to the top in the final. China's Zhang Qiuping took silver as she did in Rio 2016 with a score of 248.9, while Ukraine's Irina Skechnik finished with a total of 227.5 for bronze. This is the India's fourth confirmed medal of the Games. Rockets fired towards Kabul airport from vehicle repelled by air defenses. Rockets were fired towards the Hamid Karzai International Airport in Kabul on Monday morning and were repelled by the air defense system installed at the airport, report said. The rockets were fired from a vehicle near the Khurshid Private University near the Labjar Khairkhana crossroads towards Kabul airport. This comes a day after the US carried out an airstrike destroying an explosive-laden vehicle hours after President Joe Biden warned of another terror attack amid the evacuation. Initial reports said several rockets were heard flying over Kabul and the targets were unclear. A journalist based in Afghanistan said at least 2 rockets were fired from Kabul Lab Azhar at 6:40 am towards Hamid Karzai International Airport residence. In Arya Township, tell me shrapnels landing on rooftops of the township. The American officials said the bombers planned to attack Kabul International Airport, where a massive airlift is still underway ahead of a Tuesday deadline for the withdrawal of US forces. We are confident we successfully hit the target. Significant secondary explosions from the vehicle indicated the presence of a substantial amount of explosive material, Irvin said. Don't be afraid, TV anchor forced to praise Taliban with armed men behind. Don't be afraid, these were the words of a visibly frightened news anchor in Afghanistan with armed men standing behind him in the studio. The video of the incident has gone viral with questions being raised on the Taliban promise of a free press. Reports of journalists being targeted have emerged since the Taliban took over Afghanistan on August 15th. This comes even as the Taliban said they would allow free press to operate in the country. A few days back, an Afghan reporter working with Polo News and the cameraman were thrashed by the Taliban in Kabul while they were reporting in the city. Reports have emerged of Taliban fighters attacking journalists in the capital city of Kabul, Jalalabad and in Nangarhar province. Taliban fighters have raided the homes of journalists and their relatives in the past week since they captured Kabul. The Taliban have also killed one family member of a reporter working for Deutsche Welle, a German media organization.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.